Well, hey, before I go to bed, I want to install um, OpenShot on new little video box here. So let's see. All right. Do I want the latest version or let's see. Let's see. 3.0. Two five. Good enough. A little old, but should be stable. So, well, it's pretty simple then. Let's open a terminal. I keep opening in the wrong window, but that's fine. So there's the command sudo apt install OpenShot. Oh, a lot of megabytes. A lot of megabytes. That's okay. We will hit yes. And let it go. Let it go. This machine's fairly speedy. It's nothing too fast. Just a little ultra slim desktop. Used to do some video things. Figured get it to a certain point and then just, start recording how to do other things. So yeah, let's expand this a little bit. There we go, that looks better. I probably could have easily went down here and where is it? System, no, preferences. So we could also did it with the Synaptic Package Manager, but I really like command line. I usually use apt-get or apt-get. But for simplicity and most of the commands you'll see on the internet will have you sudo apt things. I just did it that way. Lots of megabytes. All the packages. %. It's very noisy down here. I have a noise filter on. It may not be adjusted quite right yet, but in my tests it seemed to do very well. 92%. Some of the most fun in computer land is waiting. Now it's going to install everything. Come on. 1% left. Oh, there we go. Successfully installed. Now let's give it a shot. It should be in sound and video. There it is. OpenShot video editor. And of course it's probably gonna open. Oh no, there we go. Cool. Actually opened in the right thing. Let's see. Welcome. Yeah. Would you like to automatically send? Sure, why not? What's next? Project files. Get started. Adding video, audio here. Drag and drop. Okay, next. Rearrange the clips. Overlap. Transition. Okay, yep, next. We'll watch the timeline preview here. Okay, next. Export. Okay, when you're ready, use the export. Okay. Cool. I mean, that seems pretty simple, right? Okay, so what did it say? It said import files. Okay, so I have them on the secondary SSD, which is mounted at temp clips. And for funsies, oh, not the one that's currently recording, but we'll pull in that one, and that one. Open. There we go. Okay, so we got some clips. And now, which one's which? Let's close this a little bit. Let's just drag one to a track. Okay. How do we do this? Oh, is it that short? It might be that short. I'll put another one. For funsies, we'll put this one down here. Guess that's another shorty too. Oh. Move to this one. I don't know. Why not? What would we hit play? Okay. Little mouse movies. We'll test who's having problems typing? One typo I didn't realize till way after the fact, which is okay. So yeah, little window capture. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. Capture. Cool. Alright, well, what do we do here? Add a transition. Put it there. how to do this stuff. No, I forget. It's been quite a minute. I really don't know what I'm doing. Any which way, let's add another transition. Just playing around here. Oh. There we go. The tutorial was up. I guess they're not working. Oh, I didn't do it. I messed it up. Okay, so yeah, okay. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. Okay then. Any which way, I guess I'll export this crappy video. Untitled project sounds fine. No, I'm just kidding. We'll do a there we go. That's good enough. Save it there. I want 1080p 30. MP4 sounds fine. Quality, it's advanced do for me. Whatever. Export video. Oh, there's CPU cranks. Cranked up. Oh. Oh. Let me increase that noise filter. Boiler kicked on. Does only machine's only CPU only, so I guess yeah, no, doing things like this take a minute. That's all right. That's okay. Oh, cool. All right. Video exported. there it is. Let's open it up. Let's half size it so we can actually see it. There we go. Cool. Not sure where the little line here on the side is. Maybe that's just from the window capture. I don't know. I have to look. It makes sense. It was from the window capture. Not being.
Well, I'll be a son of a bitch.
Got it on repeat. Let's open this one.
Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch.
Well, I'll be a son of a bitch.
Well, I'll...
Cool. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. What's this? Update available. What does that do? Take me to a website? Yes. Yeah, this just takes you to a website. Anyway, we're not going to do that today. No, don't save changes. And anyway, how about this? Well, anyway. See you next time.